Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add colorful text on WhatsApp status. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to add different text on your WhatsApp status, let's see how you can do that. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here go for updates and then select add status option. And from here, you select text. Once you have selected, you just have to enter the text which you want to enter. As for example, I'm going to enter this one. Once you have entered, you can easily change the color of background from here, and you have different options. You can change font of your text just like that, or you can make something italic bold or use different letters. And here, for example, I'm going to select this one. Just select the area or the word for which you want to change the color of bold. Here just have three dots and you will get different options like bold, italic, strike through, monospace. So you must have to select, as I'm going to select monospace. Just select that and your font will be changed. Once you have done, you must have to tap on the send option and your status will be updated. So that's how you can easily add colorful text on your WhatsApp status. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.